Okay, so I said something really great before the last take, and I didn't even mess up. And the freaking beat skips on me. How do you like that? But we're not gonna repeat that. I'll just put that in a blooper reel or something. Yo, alright, so we're gonna come to y'all like this right now. Yo, yo, uh, oh, we're starting it sooner though. That's the cool part. Yo, uh. Well, watch out, people would know what blessing if they hit them. Living such a nice sky, so yeah, I'm so persistent, fighting through their ignorance. I'm blowing up the truth is risen. Stop clinging to the nonsense. What you think it is, what isn't. Preach the hell of wisdom and best believe I live it. My useless link to saving the world, everything is pleasant. Oh, you're gonna live a long time, scientific. Give it everything, mental thought process exquisite. Study physics, travel the galaxy, such a wizard. Doing magic over here, God made me gifted. I do it all, really can't even get too specific. Rap, I'm the sickest, say the world that did it. They don't even wanna check it out. You easy money, FMS, talk on what I'm talking about. It's all good, cause I'm gonna shove it down and out. Talking about the bright truth, I'm a star shining now. Bow! You can see me even if your eyes closed. I believers don't believe in God if the eye blow. That's something that I know. Need to read what I wrote. I figured out this primitive word, so y'all need to follow. If y'all want to become the God, that's the way that I'm on. My spirit fully awake, correct, supersized flow. Saucy, I'm dripping, what should probably put a towel on. Super talented, I knew the droppers and go round them. Had to be creative genius that all around them. With you getting 1,000, already climbed the mountain downhill. But I ain't ever gonna chill until I see a global resource based economy and still, I ain't ever gonna chill until I see a global resource based economy and still, I ain't ever gonna chill until I see a global resource based economy and still go home. I'm gone. Bro, yeah. I figure I might as well end it off since I did that take pretty good. Basically, people have a very jaded view on people when they're going around. So it's like, let me cut the music off. So it's like, peep this. It's like, if you walk around and you assume the worst in people, then you're gonna bring out the worst in people. And now on top of that, now let's say you're assuming the worst in people. Someone who actually is a good person, they're gonna see that, and then they might be just turned off by your negative energy. You know what I'm saying? I'm a person who's I'm persistent, you know what I'm saying? I understand people's shortcomings, so it's like I just understand people, I work with them, I'm not gonna just run away just because someone thinks I'm out to get them, well, you know what I'm saying? But it's like you have to understand that this is just an obsolete mindset to have, you know what I'm saying, of consumed with negative energy. It's only gonna lead to failure because you're gonna block away good people and you're gonna bring out the worst in bad people, you know what I'm saying? So it's just a double whammy of negative, you just don't wanna do it, you know what I'm saying? This is part of the shift in consciousness. Everybody's gonna be working together. That's a result of a dysfunctional society growing up detached. I'm not gonna go into too much depth on this, you know what I'm saying? But it's like people's mindset is just so screwed up, and it's because of essentially society, the structures in place. So basically, that's. I just made this song because it's like, I'm a nice guy and I'm walking around, and then people, you say hi to people can't say hi back, and you just feel that the negativity flowing off of them. It's just kind of sad to see when you see, it's just sad, but that's why I'm here, and we're going to change this crap, you know what I'm saying? So I love y'all, peace.